Hey foodies, wagwan. So today we're gonna run it back with these teriyaki chicken thighs, quick, easy, and delicious. So I'm working with 4 skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and I seasoned with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper. I marinated it in a 1/4 cup of soy sauce with just a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. You could add more if you want it to be more spicy. We're gonna go ahead and sear for around 5 minutes on each side on medium-high flame until we have a beautiful brown color. While our chicken is cooking, let's go ahead and make our teriyaki sauce. So to a small bowl, I went in with around a 1/2 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I also added around a tablespoon of honey, but this is optional. 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. You can also use mirin. Around a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. You could use ginger paste if that's what you have. On the last minute of cooking my chicken pieces, I went in with around 3 cloves of minced garlic, allowed that to cook a little bit just to get a little fragrant. Then I went in with the sauce, lowered the flame, and allowed it to simmer, reduce a little bit while basting my chicken thighs. So I allowed my chicken pieces to cook in the sauce for around 7 more minutes. I wanted it to soak up all the flavor, but you could always cook for a lesser time. And there you have it, some easy, juicy teriyaki chicken thighs served up with some white rice. Full recipe can be found on the website, that's jamandcuisine.info, and my YouTube channel, Jam and Cuisine. Follow for more recipes.